On August 24, 2003, delegates from across the Caribbean met in Roseau, the capital of Dominica, for the third edition of the annual Queen of the Caribbean pageant, to be held in both Dominica and Guadeloupe. That day, Dominica was undisputedly the capital of Caribbean beauty, hosting Spanish, English, Creole, Dutch, and French-speaking delegates, all prepared for the coveted crown. The Queen of the Caribbean pageant in just 3 years has confirmed itself to be among the premier events of its kind in the region, having to its credit the 2002 Queen of the Caribbean, Miss Latonia Burkett of Barbados, placed in the top 3 in the 2002 Queen of the World in Germany. The Queen of the Caribbean Part 2 was staged in the administrative capital of Basseterre. The top 3 winners will represent their respective countries in Germany as the Queen of the World. On August 27, 2003, Part 1 commenced in Dominica.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present to you the 23 delegates in this year's Queen of the Caribbean pageant. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. A medical assistant. She's also an aspiring designer. Zena is a college student pursuing. She's a university student.
Part of the show was over, and the following day, August 28, a large inter-Caribbean delegation comprising journalists, staff, chaperones, judges, visitors, and of course the 23 delegates prepared to leave Dominica by ferry for the second part of the show, scheduled for Guadeloupe 2 days later on August the 30th. The trip across to Guadeloupe is expected to last about 1 hour. The boat ride from Dominica to Guadeloupe is a pleasant trip in air-conditioned comfort and the luxury of a ship that accommodates 400 passengers and 89 vehicles equipped with bars and snorkels. The queens were allowed to visit the cockpit while other members of the party picnicked while crossing the channel. On arrival in Guadeloupe, the delegation was welcomed to a brief reception cocktail under the soft lights of a nightclub on Grande Terre. The welcome remarks and drinks were willingly brief since the day was already quite active, and there was to be still to come a 45-minute coach ride to St. Claude on the other side of the butterfly-shaped Guadeloupe for hotel check-in, then dinner. The large, fully loaded coach was preceded and followed by security cars, which accompanied the delegation throughout the stay in Guadeloupe. The delegation hastily checked in at the hotel before dinner and a well-deserved night's rest. Life on the Queen of the Caribbean Trail is a pleasant mixture of fun and fatigue. On day number 2 in Guadeloupe, the eve of the grand finals, the schedule includes rehearsals, leisurely outings for shopping and sightseeing, a poolside photo shoot directed by famous Antiguan fashion designer Calvin Southwell, and of course followed by a meet the press promotion at a local disco. In Guadeloupe, the highest elected official, Madame Lucette Michaud-Chevry, President of the Conseil Régional and former minister in the National French government, led the delegation of distinguished guests. The show progressed with all 5 segments, as was previously done in Dominica 3 days earlier. As Queen of the Caribbean 2003, for the first time ever, the region's biggest and brightest pageant is staged on 2 different islands. Still to come, the second and final night in Basse-Terre, Guadeloupe. The decisive moment arrived, and Miss Jardine Fannis of St. Lucia was crowned Queen of the Caribbean 2003, followed by Corinne Bourgeois of Guadeloupe and Tennille Stout of Barbados in first and second alternate positions, respectively. This was Queen of the Caribbean 2003, held in Dominica and Guadeloupe.
Je suis venu chez toi, je t'invite chez moi. Oh, j'aimerais te rendre cette politesse. J'ai un archipel de îles très belles. Je t'invite à partager ma richesse.